Easy digital marketing solutions in less than 1 minute.
Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. Let's quickly change our cPanel password within 10 seconds. So step number 1, you need to log into your cPanel. So once you have logged into your cPanel, you simply need to move to your account section, which is on the right top corner. Then select password and security from the drop down. Now you simply need to enter your old password and then enter the new password that you want to keep. Everything else remains default. Then click on change your password now. So guys, you have successfully changed your password. So to verify this, you can log in again using your new password. That's it guys. See you in the next video.
Check the subscriptions for a little surprise. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.